Hola, 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 mis amores. Today I feel fabulous. I feel gorgeous. I don't know, when I do my hair like this, I don't know. It makes me feel like, hi. I feel so girly, girl. But today I'm bringing you a whole makeup look. It's going to be under the Artistry brand, and I'm going to call it Brooklyn Brown. Brooklyn Brown. Brooklyn Brown. I don't think I could focus. But yes, I'm gonna call it what is the pencil that I'm using. I'm not using a lot of products today. I'm gonna try to use the bare minimum products and to make a beautiful look. The color that I'm using today, it's gorgeous. Like, if you guys could tell, look how gorgeous that is. It's like a golden brown. It's like a golden color, not a golden brown. It's like a golden color. And then it's like a brown color. So I'm just going to be using this on my eyes, and you'll see what I create today. So as you guys know, I always like to prime my face. I'm going to be using the MAC primer. I do 2 squirts of the matte primer. I apply it all over my face. And on my neck. Remember, before that, I already toned my face and I already added moisturizer to my face. After that, I go in and then I apply the primer. Then I go in with the Artistry foundation. And this is natural. I do 3 squirts of natural with my illuminating cream. I do that much. I'm putting a little bit more today. I'm feeling kind of generous. I don't know why. Feeling kind of generous. And I blend. And then I start applying. And I apply. I apply all over my face, under my eyes, on my forehead, on my neck. And I leave myself like this. What do you guys think if I would have left myself like this and be like, hi everyone, I look so beautiful, my makeup look is done? I think people will be like, it's not Halloween yet. I apply here. I apply here. Here. My eyes. Today, I actually am using the sponge dry. I'm using a dry sponge. I want to try different techniques. So, I'm using a dry sponge. I want to see how it will look on my face if I do it with the dry sponge. Oh, guys, I forgot to show you my shirt today. It's so adorbs. Like, look. I'm getting it dirty, but look how cute it is. It's a Mickey Mouse shirt. It's a Minnie Mouse sweater. But look, it has like a bow right there and right there. Like, I love the sweater. I'll show you a picture of my sweater afterwards. But I love the sweater. It's like the best sweater ever. It's like the best invention ever I have invested. Like, it's the best investment, not invention. But it is also the best invention ever. But it's the best I just got myself confused. It's the best investment I have ever spent on clothes. And sorry, I got off topic. Then I apply under my eyes, on my neck, and here. Then after that, I'm going to apply the illuminating. And I left a little bit. I usually always leave a little bit, but today I am actually going to mix it. I'm going to mix it. And I'm gonna start applying myself. Today I want to go a little everywhere. I want to be like a disco ball. And I just want to glow. I just want to glow. And then I go like this. And I go like this. And I look like this. Sorry, there's some in my hair. But you could tell my hair always likes getting. And after that, you see? After that, I set myself with my loose powder. I'm using the Artistry loose powder. And I do this. Today, I feel like contouring. I use the Chanel Contour Soleil. And I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to contour my face. Underneath my brows, my temples of my eyebrow, my temples of my eyes, on the temples of my eyes, and my neck. That's not my neck, it's my jawline, and on my neck. And then I just go and I blend. Everything's about blending. When you contour, everything is about blending. And I blend. And I blend. And then I go to the other side. And I blend. And I blend. And then after that, after I'm done there, I'm gonna go in with the MAC powder. This is called, Peachy Wise. If you could tell, I love this color. And because I want a bronzy look today. Or more of a not too natural color. Or more of a golden look. Let me say golden look. And then I apply it on my cheeks. On my nose. I love blush, if you could tell. I love blush. One of the reasons I love blush, I think I love blush so much, is because my grandma, it's one of my childhood stories I have, or childhood memories I have. Every time we used to go visit her, my grandma used to have these two little round little balls, pink little balls. And I never saw this lady without makeup. I always saw her nice hair, and her makeup used to be two little round balls of pink blush. And I'll be like, oh, that's so cute. It's so adorbs. And I think now, growing up, I love blush. And I think that it has to do a lot of it has to do because I used to see her, and that's a memory I have of her. And I want to keep the tradition going with the blush. So today, I'm going to do the highlighter after because I want to see first how the eyes look. I'm going to go in with Brooklyn Brown. Okay, so I'm going to go in with Brooklyn Brown. So, let me see. So, let me add a little bit of brown on my golden on my eyes. Golden on my eyes. And then I go doot doot doot. And voila, I have more products. And I apply it on my eyes. And I blend. I blend. What I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna use my little brush and with the artistry color, I'm gonna go in with the brown color because it's very similar colors. I'm gonna go in with the brown color. And I'm just gonna blend. Blend. I'm gonna blend. After that, if you could tell, it's there. I'm going to go in with the brown part of it, the other side of it, and I'm just going to go in. And then you see like that. I'm gonna go in with the other eye. I just realized it didn't record. And I'm almost done my makeup look. But I went in with Brooklyn Brown. I applied it on my eyelid, the brown part. And the golden part, I applied it all over. I blend. Then I went in with this color. This white color. I did my brow bone and my inner teardrop in my brow bone. Now I'm going to prime my lashes. Prime my lashes. I'm gonna add mascara. Again, mascara. At the bottom. On top, a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add lip liner. It's called Dusty Rose, Artistry Dusty Rose. I'm dropping everything, guys. I drop everything. That should be my motto. I'm gonna add Dusty Rose. After that, I'm gonna go into with the Artistry, and this color is called Notre Dame Nude or Notre Dame Nude. And voila, this is the magic. This is the look I created today. This is the magic. Look, it just looks so gorgeous with this hair. It looks amazing, like fabulous. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, for seeing this video, for supporting me. God bless you guys.